In this video, I'm going to show you how to create custom location on Instagram in 2024. So it's actually quite easy. All you have to do is first open up your Instagram app on your mobile phone. And then what you want to click is that plus icon in the bottom in the middle. So click that plus icon and it will show you the post you would like to create. So I just have one post over here that I selected, and then once you select your image, you can click next up there at the top right, and then it will take you to the editor. You can now edit your image as much as you'd like, and then yet again press next at the bottom right. In here, it will give you all the different settings you can choose from. So as you can see, there's an option to add location. What you want to do is simply click add location, and then up there where it says search for a location, you can simply create a custom location by typing in whatever you want. So let's say I want to type in the Pyrenees. There we go. Because this one was taken in the Pyrenees, you simply click on it and the location tag was added, as you can see. If you would now like to delete it, you simply press that X button next to the blue text on your screen where the location is, and you've successfully removed that location, and you can change it to a different one. So once you're done, and once you've selected everything else you wanted to put onto the image, you can click share, and that's it. You're done and you've successfully created a custom location on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.